Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra and I hope you are well. In this video I'm going to share with you how to create a YouTube channel on your mobile as well as on your PC or desktop. So I'm provide the article for creating a Google account as well as you can see here, open the Play Store for creating a Google account on your mobile. This one is the one of the most easy way to create Google account on your mobile. So if you are on desktop or PC, so definitely you are on Windows or Mac OS, so you have need to create a Google account on your web browser and you have required a phone number definitely, but in this process you have not required any type of phone number. So this is the best if you are going to do on your mobile phone. So as you can see here, my Google account is almost successfully created. So now simply click on avatar and as you can see here, the Google account is almost ready. So now we have need to create a new YouTube channel for your new journey. So simply click or open your YouTube app, and now my incognito mode is off and it's my main profile. As you can see here on the third number at the last, new account is available. Simply click on it. As you can see here, now you are on your new Google account. As you can see here, different sort of options available here. Simply click on your channel option. After click on it, you can see two options, one for your profile or avatar image option. So simply select from your gallery or capture from your camera if you are on Android phone. After click on it, you can see here it's almost selected and saved. Now click on your edit name. Make sure you create a unique name to be appear on top of the search results in YouTube. So I'm creating this name for reference. Now click on create channel. So now your channel is successfully created, but you have need to do some settings on your desktop. But don't worry if you have on your Android smartphone, so you have no need to be worried. But before it, you have need to add description according to your channel or niche. It's really important to add keywords according to your channel in your description. When you add keywords related to your specific category, what are you going to create or share with users, so it's helpful for you YouTube. When someone search you on YouTube, your channel ranked on the top positions. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, make sure you consider to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get more videos like this one, and please follow me on social media handles to get updates. Now I'm going to show you how to change some settings on your Chrome web browser. So simply open Chrome web browser on your mobile. It's not for PC or desktop users. PC desktop users don't face this type of problem because we are on mobile, so we have need to add studio.youtube.com in search bar and then click on arrow button to search this. After it, we have need to log into our newly created YouTube channel or Google account. After log into Google account, simply click on three dot menu and select desktop. After click on it, you can see here this type of interface, and this is the new YouTube channel, that's why you can see this type of interface. By the way, if you're enjoying this videos, make sure you consider to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get more videos like this one. So now simply click on this settings button, which is available in the bottom left side option. Simply click on it. After you can see this type of options. In general, you can see the US currency. You have no need to change it. So simply now click on the second option and click on it. You have need to select your country according to your region or territory. After selecting the country, you have need to add keywords. This is the most important option and you have need to do because you have need to add keywords according to your channel. You have need to add your channel name. If you are going to create an educational video, so simply add education, educational videos or maths, physics, what you are going to upload, simply add keywords here. So in the second option, as you can see here, different type of options available. This is option really important when you uploading content related to kids, so you have need to select for kids. If you are uploading content not for kids, so simply select not. So it's really important and it affects your earning or your YPP, YouTube partner program eligibility. So that's why select according to your channel or niche. If you're going to create a kids channel for kids content, so you have need to select for kids. In the third last option, you have some features eligibility. When you verify your phone number, you have an option to upload up to 15 minutes videos and custom thumbnails and ID peels. So as you can see here, now after click on the customization option, here you can see different type of three options available: layout, branding and basic information. So we already uploaded channel banner or profile avatar. In the basic information here you can see you can upload up to 5 links for social media and description, or your contact email for business inquiries or promotional. Please let me know in the comment section what do you think about it. If you have any type of queries or question, so please ask me in comment section without any hesitation, or you can also DM me on Instagram to get answers within few hours. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, so please consider to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get more videos like this one. See you soon in next video. Bye bye.